Today, we're taking a look at a machine that could potentially become a serious side hustle. This is the xTool F2 portable laser engraver. And in this video, I'm going to test it on several different projects, including an Olight flashlight, a Milwaukee Fastback, a custom business card, a wood keychain, and a Slate coaster. So I'll be testing it on a variety of different products and materials to test its capabilities. But here's the question, is this just another gadget, or could it actually help you build a side business? For example, at a farmer's market, trade shows, craft fairs, or even grow it into a full-time income, in addition to just doing crafts around the house. Now, granted, this would be rather expensive for just doing some crafts, and I know there's some people that use it for just for that. But I think if you have the opportunity to be able to sell things, it would be able to help pay for this in no time, basically. And the thing that was intriguing to me, and just so you know up front, I did pay for this laser myself. This was something I was interested in picking up, basically because of its portability and being able to move it around. It is nice and compact, and it does weigh only like just over 10 pounds. So it's nice and lightweight. So that is the one thing that immediately caught my attention about the xTool F2 is its portability. Most laser engravers are designed to stay in a workshop or a garage just because of their size. So being portable like that, it does open it up for opportunities for on-site personalization at events, flea markets, craft fairs, and local festivals. The F2 combines two laser technologies into one machine, and that's the other big advantage that made me decide to go with this xTool F2. So on the underside here, you lift the lid up, it has the lens cover in place, and this right here is the laser, which it actually has two different lasers on board. That's the other advantage of the F2, is that you don't have to swap out laser heads for either the infrared laser that would be good for engraving metal, and then the regular diode laser that's good for engraving and cutting wood. So the diode laser rated at 15 watt and the infrared laser is a 5 watt. This allows it to work with a wide variety of materials, including wood, leather, coated metals, anodized aluminum, stainless steel, slate, and a ton more of materials that it can handle as well. And this like little dot right here is the onboard camera system, which helps accurately position designs before engraving. That's another game changer compared to other lasers out there that don't have cameras, because as soon as you're placing an item on here, you want to be able to place the design on the item, on the software, and see exactly where it's going to hit. Now there's other lasers, and this one does it as well. It's called the framing option that'll highlight the area of where it's going to engrave. But the lasers that don't have a camera system, that adds a lot more time to be able to position your workpiece exactly where you want it. So for the people trying to sell custom products, speed and accuracy can make all the difference. The setup process is surprisingly straightforward. The software is actually easy to use, and it's highly regarded by a lot of laser engravers. Using the software, it's easy to load designs and transfer it over to the material that you're going to be laser engraving, as well as it's preloaded with many different settings on the different materials, so that way you don't have to play around with settings that much, but there will be some playing around on items that you're engraving, so you can dial it in from the pre-programmed settings that it has based on the material you are engraving on. So you can import logos, graphics, photos, and text directly into the software. The built-in camera allows you to see exactly where your design will be placed before engraving. That means less wasted material and fewer mistakes. So if you have another laser out there that doesn't have the camera, if you ever struggled lining up projects manually, this feature alone can save a lot of time. Now, let's start with something many of you already know, and I use it all the time. It's an Olight flashlight. Custom engraved flashlights are popular gifts. So it could be a great item to offer as far as a side hustle goes, is buy a batch of flashlights and you can engrave names or company logos. Basically the options are limitless. It's based on your imagination and what the demand is for. So just to give you some examples, like there would be the first responders, military, company giveaways, employee appreciation gifts, promotional merchandise. The infrared laser is specifically designed to handle metal engraving. So let's see how it performs on this Olight. Wow. As you can see, the engraving process is quick and the results look extremely clean. I'm actually quite surprised. The edges are sharp, the detail is crisp, and honestly it looks like it came directly from the factory. Alright, next up is something a little different. Instead of a traditional paper business card, I wanted to create a metal DIY crasher business card. Now imagine attending like a network event and handing someone a laser engraved metal business card instead of a paper one. They're probably not going to throw this one away. So this opens up opportunities for premium business cards, like VIP membership cards, loyalty cards, promotional products, corporate gifts. The finished result has a very professional look and feel to it. Now let's move on to something many tradespeople would appreciate, the Milwaukee Fastback knife. It happens to be my favorite utility knife that I carry often, just because it's a 6-in-1. It has an onboard screwdriver and obviously the utility knife. So it is my favorite utility knife that I use. I think customized tools could be one of the biggest business opportunities for a machine like this. So you could target like contractors, electricians, plumbers, mechanics, and DIYers. All love personalized gear. Not only does it look great, but engraving can also help identify tools and discourage theft. And how cool would it be to have a tool with your own name or logo on it? And especially if you're selling it to people like that, they would certainly appreciate a customized tool like that. So if you own a trailer full of tools, having your name or company logo permanently marked on them can be valuable. Now let's move on to the most practical side hustle products, a wood keychain. This is the type of item that's inexpensive to purchase in bulk. You can simply go on Amazon and find bulk keychains. That's what I did here. And there's many other sites out there that sell bulk laser engraving kind of products. And something like this is easy to customize while customers wait. So if you're doing those kind of different trade shows, you can just plug in a name and then have it engraved in no time. So I could easily see these selling at farmers markets, craft fairs, car shows, local festivals, on an Etsy shop, Shopify stores. And the profit margin on personalized items like this can be surprisingly good. And there is software out there called Everbee as one of them that I have used to check the Etsy shops online to see what people are selling things for as far as these personalized gifts. Now for the final project, let's try something that has become extremely popular in the personalized gift market, a Slate coaster. Now smaller projects like this really benefit from the built-in camera system because accurate positioning is important. Slate creates one of the most dramatic engraving effects because of the contrast between the engraved and non-engraved areas. So it really comes out really sharp looking. The detail came out fantastic. It really makes the logo stand out. Products like this are popular, for example, like weddings, housewarming gifts, corporate events, restaurants, bars, promotional products. Again, it's only limited to the imagination as far as what these could be sold at and used for. And basically you would be selling them in sets of 4 or 8 and 12. So you'd be able to sell multiples of them to just one person. Plus too, people love watching their item being customized right in front of them if you happen to be doing it at an event. That experience alone can help drive sales. And I did recommend this laser to a friend of the channel. His name is Robert, where he does customized cedar wood projects. Something like this would be great for someone like him that would be able to laser engrave his logo right onto those work pieces. And the thing that's awesome about it is that this base plate right here actually does come out. So it allows you to be able to remove the plate. You can set the laser directly on the surface that you need a laser engrave. So it doesn't matter what size the workpiece is, as long as the laser can engrave inside of that square, that's all you need. And so that makes it more versatile in its capabilities and what you're able to do with it, which is absolutely awesome. And like another example you could put this on would be like if you do customize cutting boards. So you're not limited on the size as far as if you're not doing a full design on the cutting board, you can just place it on the corner of the cutting board and laser engrave your logo right on it, or personalized name of the family you're giving the cutting board to or selling it to. So really, you're not limited on the size of the laser itself. And the other thing that's awesome about this machine in particular is that xTool does offer other attachments that you can attach to this laser. So for example, they do have like a rotary attachment that would allow you to put in like tumblers and do a design all the way around a metal tumbler. And the other option they have as well is it's a small conveyor. So you could place multiple like keychains or business cards, multiple items on the conveyor belt, or even a larger like wood piece that would basically start off on one end and work its way over. So you would be allowed to do like larger designs based on the size of the conveyor. So it definitely opens it up to more possibilities and potential as far as what you're able to offer or what you're able to do for your own crafts and projects. And then one thing to note is that it is important to have proper ventilation. It does come with a vent tube that you would attach to it. So you either direct it right outside of a window and have it vent out that way. It does have a built-in fan in the back there that helps extract the air out of it. And the other option too from xTool is they do offer a air filter that you could attach the hose to. So if you don't have a window that you could vent it out, and especially if you're going to like businesses to do customized work or other areas where you're going to be indoors, recommended to have proper ventilation, whether it's out a window or the proper air filter to be able to filter out the smoke that's generated from the laser, especially if you're working on wood, because it will generate a lot of smoke to it. And because the F2 is portable, you could potentially bring your business directly to your customers instead of waiting for customers to come to you. So what do I think of the xTool F2? Well, after testing it on multiple materials, I'm actually quite impressed of what it's able to do in such a small package. The pros of it is being that it's a portable design. It offers fast engraving, it has a dual laser capability, a built-in camera positioning, and the major thing is that it's easy to use software. It was even easy for me to learn to do it, and I was obviously a laser noob to the industry, so for me to be able to learn it quickly and easily is a major bonus. So whether you're a hobbyist making gifts for friends and family or someone looking to start a side hustle, this machine offers a lot of possibilities. And for those looking to earn extra income, or maybe even build a full-time business, the portability of the F2 gives it a unique advantage. So if you had this machine sitting on your workbench right now, what would be the first thing you'd engrave? Let me know down in the comments below. If you'd like to learn more about the xTool F2, I will put a link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this review video, I really appreciate you do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more review videos as well as tool deal videos. I really do appreciate you watching, and I'll see you in the next one.